Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do this cute little haul of the stuff that I've bought, and it's super cute. Matlab, I'm literally the girl who gets happiest when she buys the smallest, cutest things. So ये haul उसका है जहाँ पे I'm going to show and share everything that I've bought and which is cute. So let's get started. So the first thing that I've bought is this. I don't know if you can see. Is this cute little passport cover. And it has compartments and stuff. I don't know about my bank balance, but मेरा पासपोर्ट पूरी तरह से रेडी है अब एक इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप लेने के लिए. उसके लिए अब नए कपड़े लेने में आ चुके हैं. मेरे कपड़े नहीं लिए मैंने अभी तक, बट मेरे पासपोर्ट के लिए ले लिए है. तो भगवान जी प्लीज प्लान अ ट्रिप सून. या आई डिडंट नीड इट बट आई बॉट इट इन दैट एक्साइटमेंट कि मैं अपनी जो अगली ट्रिप लूँगी तो उसके लिए मुझे चाहिए रहेगा. तो दिस वाज इट. दिस आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम Mimi, so I think I've showed it in the previous vlog. Then we've got this cute diary. So I don't use diaries, to be very honest, but I just collect them. That makes sense. You know, मतलब जो होता है ना लोग ऐसे मतलब people collect coins and things and stuff like that. I collect cute stationeries. तो कभी भी आपको मुझे गिफ्ट करना हो, give me cute stationeries. I'll be more than happy. Thirdly, this is the most curious thing I've got, and that is from my phone. Okay, so I got a new phone recently, and it also has a focus on this. Also has a cute chain. So yeah, it looks like that. But look, I'm so basically obsessed with K-dramas, and all those heroines, they use this very cute little covers and stuff like that. And bachpan se na I always wanted to use iPhone. I mean, not because of the phone's technology or things like that, but because iPhone के हमेशा बहुत cute covers रहते हैं. So yeah, I only use iPhone so that I can put cute covers and I can buy covers. And now I feel like I should just organizing videos नहीं होते, just people organize their makeup. I think I'm going to organize my phone covers because I have plenty and I keep on buying and there's no end to it. So I bought this. I also bought one more cover, but that's not cute. I don't know if I should. Forget it. It's not here. It's downstairs. If I could find it, I'll get it and I'll put it. So yeah, heading to the third thing. So when I go for my work, I always carry a smoothie with me. तो उसके लिए मुझे cute zipper चाहिए था. But then those zippers, I have a Stanley one and all, but those are very big and gets very difficult. और उतनी quantity में मैं smoothie पीती भी नहीं हूँ. I drink very less. तो I got this. You see, it's a zipper and it also has a belt. So basically it's like this. So basically it's a bottle. Can you see? Yeah. So basically it's a bottle like that, but it has a cover to it with a strap. It's so cute. So जब मैंने ये ली थी bottle, मुझे लगा था कि it's so cool because it has this leather cover for it, and it matches my suitcase that I take for my work. I was very happy and excited. But now, when I got this, I don't know why, but I'm getting a vibe of a water bottle. Matlab, it's okay. Yes, I'm gonna wear it. I mean, it's so convenient. Like you can just put it. It's there, and it's done. So, I mean, even if you're going for walks or something, and you want to have water, done. And it doesn't have those typical water bottle straps, guys. Please, it has leather straps with adjustable thing that it has got buttons. Can you see? Yeah, so it has got buttons. So it is very convenient. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not after getting that thought. That looks like a water bottle to me. I have to now. Then we'll go to this. And then I've got this cute little organizer. So there's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Focus. And it even got this cute little elastic hook so that you can put it on your bag or anything, and it can just be like. So yeah, this was it, and it has written call. On the back it's written call. Cute, right? Oh, I didn't show you the inside. Not very useful. So under say it has like this compartments and a zip, and you can just remove this compartments if you want to have a proper कुछ ऐसे बड़ा रखना है तो. I'm thinking to make this as my tiffin box. So इसके अंदर अच्छे से cute डब्बे आ जाएंगे मेरे. Then I've got one more similar stuff. बट ये ना मतलब नायका की एड्स आती है इंस्टाग्राम पे, उस पे मैंने ये देखा था. So cute. It's literally like a house with pearl. Can you see? Pearl detailing. This is room. And इसके पीछे लिखा है कि go back home happily and reunite with your family. So cute. It has a door, a window. This could again be utilized as a makeup vanity, makeup organizer, keeping your क्या ही रख सकते हो इसके अंदर खाना. ये but this is bigger than the previous one. This is way pretty epic and way big, and ये पूरा ऐसे खुलता है. Roof house it opens up like this. It also has compartments which you can remove it. It has got 2 zipper net compartments. So you can put your brushes and you can put your palette over here and compacts and stuff like that. Very useful, very cute. And I can imagine carrying something so cute. I'm sure everybody's going to ask you, okay, कहाँ से लिया? But ये मैंने नायका से नहीं लिया, ये मैंने मेरे लोकल शॉप से लिया है. But they have the same thing in Nykaa, so if anybody is looking to buy it, Nykaa पे जाओ, मिल जाएगा. Should I post a link of it? Let's see. And the third one is this cute suitcase. Suitcase नहीं बोल सकते इसको, मतलब miniest version of suitcase. I don't know what is it is called. It's called mini hard shell makeup case for travel luggage suitcase. So I've got a same color bag, and it has the same detailing on the bag. I'll see if I could show it to you guys. So this will look very cute, and it goes on the handle. So yeah, and then you open it. It's like this from inside. And the best part here is the locking. So if you want to put your valuable stuff, you can put it into this. The reason for me buying this is because recently set पे से मेरे वॉलेट में से पैसे चले गए थे, चोरी हुए थे, because I didn't have the room keys or anything and the room was open, my wallet was right there, and तो मैं उसके लिए लेकर आई कि now I'm going to put my wallet in this and my expensive makeup that I was not taking. Now I will take it and I'll put it in this and I will lock it. But you can I don't know why this haul feels like more like travel organizations and travel stuff and travel things, because I've just literally bought all this. Is it universe selling? Peter Cha. Go. Ignore me. The most cutest thing. So I usually have this very big tote bag, and that has previously, iske pehle, before buying this, I had one black tote bag which traveled the whole world with me. उसने इतनी जिंदगी देखी, and and I was using it for more than 2-3 years. I mean, I took it for my work, I took it to my travel vacations, I took it for my staycations. I took it every single where, and it was so convenient because I could literally dump a lot of things in it, and I missed it. It started dripping off, so I had to get rid of it, and it broke my heart. But I found the another version of it. So this is like a giant golden tote bag which has a pouch attached to it, and this is the chain detailing. So I really like this because focus. Yeah. So basically I really like, forget it, it's not happening. I really like this because of the chain, and usually tote bags has really boring handles, and very unimpressive. So yeah, I got this, and it also it can just spread like I would like, you can literally fit a lot of things in it, and it also has and compartments, and it's very big, very big. And it can squeeze also, so if you want to squeeze it, just squeeze it and make it short. I bought that. This way. If I want to keep this out, I can keep it out. If I want to keep it inside, what else did I bring? I have a few of the cosmetics. I have showed you. So I got a lip liner. I'm already applying it. Got a lipstick. 2 lipsticks basically. Very pretty shades. An eyeliner. Very important. And mascara. जिसके ऊपर लिखा है Trouble. I don't know, I've never tried this brand before, but I tried it at the store and it was really good because it had this, वो जो 2 eyelash wands होते हैं, वो थे इसमें। Packaging, it looks like some magic wand or something. It's just not coming out. Sorry guys. No, I can't do it. I'm sorry. So yeah, basically यहाँ पे भी एक wand था which was a voluminizer and यहाँ पे एक था which gives you the length and it was like that. समझ जाओ. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all. No, wait. So this is a bag and it has wheels under it. For this. Yeah. So basically it's like a big giant tote bag but with wheels in it. The whole purpose of buying this bag was कि हमें एक छोटी ट्रॉली बैग चाहिए थी and trolley bags are again very boring. So we found something interesting. I mean, this is so interesting and it's so cool. And it literally looks like a giant tote bag. Nobody can guess that there are wheels and there is this because this also completely hides and goes back and you see, it just looks like a normal bag. Literally a normal bag. And yeah. Well, it's very convenient because if you're going for a 2-3 day staycation or somewhere like that, you can put a lot of things in this, and even if you don't want to put anything, it's lightweight. It's not very heavy or anything. It's very lightweight, and you can just. Yeah, this was it. It also has a laptop compartment and things like that inside. Doesn't have too much, but you just have one laptop compartment and it's very, very, very convenient. So this is how it looks. Now we have this big trolley. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul and see you soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.